I want to play for you this Violoncello da Spalla, made in 2007, that is 15 years ago, at the time when I lived in Tokyo. The customer from Spain just visited me here in the Netherlands. We had the full tonal adjustment on this instrument, which means the instrument got a new bridge, new soundpost, new tailgut. We polished the fingerboard, retouched the varnish here and there. Now the instrument is ready for the delivery, and well, before the instrument leaves my workshop, I wanted to play a few notes for you to show you what it sounds like, an instrument that is 15 years of age and has been played in, and yeah, it sounds really amazing. And if you are someone who somewhat feeling inspired by the Violoncello da Spalla, by all this incredible depth of voice and these basses, if you are someone who feels happy about bassy sound, and after all, if you are inspired by all this new repertoire you could play and all these new career opportunities which you could add in your career as a violinist or violist, then reach out to me via my website and let's chat about the Violoncello da Spalla that would be the right fit for you, for your unique situation, for your unique professional and artistic goals. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, comment below this video. I'm really looking forward to chatting to you about your unique artistic musical goals. See you soon.